Hiccups can strike anyone at any age, and a simple blend of ginger and peppermint offers gentle relief. Historically, ginger eased stomach cramps while peppermint calmed the diaphragm, a pairing praised by traditional healers. For kids and adults, warm ginger tea with a hint of peppermint or a small crystallized ginger piece helps. This approach targets muscle spasms rather than masking symptoms, potentially shortening hiccup bouts for all genders. Use small amounts, avoid excessive intake, and seek medical advice if hiccups persist beyond a day.